Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Our lecture series regarding trigonometry is continued. Okay, the next question is in front of us. The third part of that question, question 5, that we are solving. Here, sine 2 theta is given. 2 theta is in the third quadrant. We know that in third quadrant, sine is negative. So here negative is given already. So now we are going to find this. So we have to find, I have proved already the formula in the first question you will find on my lecture series of that chapter. So here I just applied directly the formulas. So let's start. Let me write the solution. Okay. So now we need to find cos 2 theta first of all. So I'll just apply the very simple formula cos square 2 theta is equal to 1 minus sine square 2 theta. Okay, this is the basic formula that I'm using over here. So 1 minus sine square 2 theta will be negative 240 by 289. Here the square is given already, so I will write the square root now here, or don't write the square root if you don't want on the last step. Okay, I will find the square root and then I will put here. So now I will solve. I just let me just open the brackets, so it will be 1 plus 5 7 6. You know the square of 24 and the square of 0, it's become double like this. Okay, and here down 8 3 5 2 1. So after taking square 8 3 5 2 1. Okay, so this will negative negative and positive. So now I will solve directly with the help of calculator. So that will be 161 as it allowed in your class, or otherwise you will just multiply 1 and add this, you will get. Now decide about cos theta. Okay, because 2 theta in third quadrant. So in third quadrant cos is negative. So it's simple, we find. So cos 2 theta we have and sine 2 theta we already have. So now we have to discuss about theta because we know about 2 theta only is in third quadrant. So let me write here how we can say about. So as is given that pi is less than, so you will read like that 2 pi here. Let me erase this. Okay. So it's discussing about 2 theta greater than pi but less than 3 pi by 2. Okay, these are the limits of the third quadrant. Okay, the ending limit and this is the starting limit of the third quadrant. We have to discuss about the theta, but here 2 theta is given, so we'll divide by theta on both sides. So it will be pi by 2 or by 2 on both sides. So it will be theta as we have to discuss about. So that will be 3 pi by 4. So when you see this clearly, so theta greater than pi by 2, it means that it is starting from the limit of the second quadrant. Okay, you can say the starting limit of second quadrant. So by seeing this result, we can say that theta lies in quadrant 2. Okay, so let me write here theta lies in quadrant 2. Okay, so that has done that. We need to find, as we have to find sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. So hope you student understand all the things. Now let's move toward the next. We have to find sine theta first of all. As sine theta, we know the double angle, or you can find the, you can say the half angle. The student give the different name, 1 minus cos theta. Okay, cos 2 theta by 2, like this. Okay, but it is in the square form. So now we'll put the value of cos 2 theta as we already find, that will be negative 161 by 289. Okay, as we already find. So 161 by 289. Okay, it is given to us like this. Now over 2 is there. So let's open the bracket now and then solve. So I will just put a little directly that will be 450 by 289, okay, by 2. So that is sine square theta on the either side. So after cancelling, you can cancel out like this. So 2 times and 225 times 50. So now I will just take the square root in this step and square will be removed. So that's gonna be 15 by 17. 225, 15 and 289, 17. Now we'll discuss about the positive and negative sign. So as we are already decided that in the theta is in lies in second quadrant, so in second quadrant sign is positive. Okay, so hope you understand. Now we will move toward the next question, next part, that is cos theta. We know that cos theta will be equal to 1 minus sine. You can write here sine square cos square theta 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so just put the value of sine theta, that is 15 by 17 the square. Okay, so now 15 by 17. So I will solve a little directly over here. So that will be 17 square, and you can write. Okay, let me open the square. 15 square is 225, and that is 289. Okay. Now, what we'll do, we'll just do the simple things, take the LCM, and then I will write the answer directly. Cos theta will be equal to, after taking the LCM and square root, 8 by 17. Okay. So now we have to decide about cos positive and negative sign. As theta is in second quadrant, so in second quadrant, cos is negative. So I hope you understand. Now the last thing that we have to find, that is about tan theta. So you know that tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Yes. So we'll just put the value of sine theta and cos theta. So what is sine theta? So it is 15 by 17. And what is about cos theta? So that is negative 8 over 17. So 17 and 17 will cancel out like this. So that gonna be tan theta is equal to this negative sign. Let me write here. You can write here 15 by 8. So look, theta is in second quadrant. So in second quadrant, tan is negative. Okay. So I hope you understand all the things. If you find any problem, you want to ask any question, you just you can ask any in a comment section. You can ask any question.